Okay guys, in this video we are connecting Bode's rockerz 235 Pro wireless neckband to my iPad. Okay, you can simply connect this. You can see there is 3 buttons. Just press and hold it for 3 seconds and will it is activated and you can see the light, blue light. Okay, then go to Bluetooth, turn on your Bluetooth. Then see the light is blinking with red and blue color. That means it is in pairing mode. So Bluetooth is searching and just wait for a few seconds. Then you can see the option of rockerz 235 is coming here. Okay, it will take a little bit more time from Android because this is iPad. So you can see here there is rockerz 235 Pro is come to the list. So just tap on that link to pair this device. Okay, and simply just tap on it. Now it has start pairing and paired. A Bluetooth is connected. Okay, you can see here there is in the top right corner you can see the symbol of Bluetooth connected and battery symbol also you can see here. And whenever we press the volume keys like volume up and volume down, it is not working. It is not working on iPad or any iPhone or any Android phones. Okay, I will try all of these devices like iPad and iPhone and Android devices not working. So if you need to control your Bluetooth volume level, you must do it on your device, not in neckband. Okay, neckband is not working, but you can hear the voice and you must control your Bluetooth neckband volume level from your notification panel or volume buttons. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.